Hello friends, today in this video I will show how to get your Gmail in Telegram on Windows. Open Telegram. Now here search Gmail bot. Click on this Gmail bot. And now here click on start. With this bot you can get your new emails without leaving Telegram. Reply to an email in this chat using Telegram's reply function to send your reply via email. By using the bot, you accept a privacy policy. So just click on start. Now here guys, you have to click on authorize me. Complete the sign in process. Allow the permission. Click on continue in Telegram or check this box and open Telegram desktop. Now again click on continue in Telegram. Now here guys, click on Gmail. Compose as Gmail. Type your mail here. Then send it. So here you will see the all action. You can reply by here. Click on actions. So this is the way guys you can get your Gmail in Telegram on Windows. Thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.